Assembly processes are vital for steering and suspension products, which are safety-critical components of a vehicle. Smart automation enables many advantages that allow us to produce assemblies with 100% consistency. We ensure the highest level of quality by fully integrating intelligent and automated quality controls into our production processes.
A servo equipment is an electromechanical system used when there is a need to obtain high efficiency and high precision about position, velocity control and torque. Combined with a precise measurements and AI control solution, these become smart servo machines. At Moog, we use smart servo machines to replicate the processes so they are 100% within tolerances, measure and record all the key aspects of the process. This allows us to identify, during each step of the assembly process, the parts and components that might not be assembled correctly or that might be defective. Our smart machines monitor force, displacement, and torque. They help us to assess the quality of the assembly process while the process is being performed. Amongst others, they help detect desired elastic or unwanted plastic deformation. Find deviations from expected displacement and force. We accurately identify the linear assembly position. Identify deviations from the expected applied force patterns. A component has the wrong diameter for the fitting, a wrongly drilled hole or oblique insertion of the component. Once detected, the machine stops the assembly process until the operator places the faulty part in the scrap box. Not only these parts won't go into the Moog boxes, but when this happens we analyze all captured data and identify the root causes to take the necessary corrective actions. As such, Moog is significantly reducing the risk of producing a faulty part, deriving from below specification components.
We are harnessing the power of smart automation and flexible fixturing to further remove the limitations of human intervention.
We were the first in the steering and suspension aftermarket to use servo machines in the assembly process. These contribute to our innovative spin closing, a process that puts less stress on the parts thanks to its innovative design and the use of electromechanical servo technology. Smart servo also help us to precisely test the torque and immediately communicate the results on 100% of the parts we assemble. Thanks to our servo-enabled flexible fixturing, we produce hundreds of part variations out of the same assembly line. We can easily switch all parameters and configurations as they are distributed from the process manager who all involve smart machines. This allows us to automate the aftermarket assembly process with reduced setup times while keeping the same high quality, as we eliminated the risk of incorrect fixturing. Despite the positional and speed precision, the servo motor requires less energy to operate the same amount of force over the same amount of repetitions. Compared to equivalent pneumatic and hydraulic solutions, electromechanic machines use respectively 10% and 22% of the required energy a pneumatic machine and a hydraulic machine would. They also provides a simpler and cleaner environment in the assembly line, as there is no requirement to store the pipes that help operate the other two solutions. By the way, other types of machines do not allow the same precision in movement control, torque and speed. Ultimately, the smart servo machines lead us to lower scrap rates, less waste, and make our operation more eco-friendly.
Overall, the technology innovations and quality-led systems of our European site are key factors that allow us to confidently offer a 3-year warranty for the peace of mind of end users who rely on our brand for the safety of their families.
You can find the correct Moog part for your vehicle using the Find My Part page on www.moogparts.eu. There, you will also find the links towards our YouTube channel, Facebook page, and Garage Gurus, a training and technical support program.